Welcome to Onwards and Upwards. In this video we're going to be climbing a mountain in Percé, Quebec, and the name of the mountain is this. So this is the mountain right here. We're just at the foot of it now. Alright, so we're here with the boys going to climb this mountain.
Climbing time. This sounds so Canadian.
4:40 p.m.
Say that one. Say that one.
So we're here.
Here. I've got this orange to the red. Over here. And then I don't know after this. Oh shit, boys, look at that good.
Holy shit.
So should we go on there and check if we have to pay for it?
Yeah, top get cash. Oh yeah.
So normally this here is where you can go ziplining, but it's closed because of COVID. But man, this would be an amazing ziplining spot.
Water in the ocean. Oh my dude, that's some fucking no. Who is that?
Is that you, Milo?
Water in the ocean. Jesus. She's looking at the front. Okay, you go. Let's play this way.
So we found the magic forest here. So now we have to decide whether we're going to the magic forest or the real summit, or both. We decided that we need to go in the magic forest here, so here we are.
Oh yeah.
The boys.
Fucking magical over here.
Magic forest, boys. Forest here. And there's the mountain summit right here. Gesma Pigiguatege Nibuk. Oh, it's the Micmac name, eh?
Yeah.
This forest is peaceful and tranquil. And excellent. A really nice thing about this hike too is that you can feel the ocean breeze as you walk.
mountain there?
No, there's like a little
Oh,
platform
further
on
on
the
the path.
Oh, okay, he's going back to the cave.
Where are you going?
He's gonna check out the cave.
It says entrance is forbidden, danger. But that's very cool.
Have you stabbed him? Yeah. Wow. Went right through. Right through the way? Yeah. Nice one, dude.
Oh, your sunglasses.
That cloud right there.
So beautiful.
Yeah, flying by. Looks like a bee. That island is so by itself out there.
We finally got to the top of the mountain here, and it's getting pretty cold and foggy.
That's how clouds are made. Dude, do you think people came up here like a long time ago every fucking Sunday to preach? Because that looks pretty old. Nope. 344.
For real?
Yeah.
It's getting into the late afternoon and we're very cold, so we're just going to send it down the mountain and end the video. So hope you guys enjoyed this one. I'll see you next time on Onwards and Upwards. Far one?
You think you can see it in the distance?
Yeah.